A black hole is an extremely dense object in space, from which no light can escape. While black holes are mysterious and exotic, they are also a key consequence of how gravity works. They are dark, unknown, unforgiving vacuum cleaners of space. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that it can suck in nearby material and eat it. No light of any kind, including X-rays, can escape from the horizon of a black hole. The black hole is 9 to 13 times the mass of the Sun, and is about 3,000 light-years away. Currently, it remains stationary, and is not on course to find the Earth at any point. But what would happen if a black hole appeared out of nowhere next to Earth? The Earth will be swallowed by a black hole. Earth would likely to be lost. Earth's edge nearer to the black hole will experience a much greater force than the other side. The heat or radiation could fry you before even you come in contact with a black hole. When you wander too close to a black hole, much like spaghetti, you will be stretched out. Now if you happen to fall into a black hole, with feet pointed in the black hole's direction, the gravity stretches your legs with greater force than your body, and you're going to become something like a spaghetti. Therefore your body or any other object, like Earth, will begin to look like spaghetti shape, long before it hits the center of the black hole. We would not even know that a black hole swallowed us below its event horizon, because it would all appear as it once was, at least for a very short time. It could be some time before tragedy hit in this situation. None of this has happened. The black holes are too far from our solar system to take in any matter. But scientists have witnessed the breaking of stars apart by black holes, a mechanism that releases tremendous energy. Strangely, black holes aren't necessarily black. Some are extremely bright black holes. Combined, they will comfortably outshine the rest of their host galaxy. The amount of power the planet Earth gets will definitely be little compared to what the Earth gets from Sun. And that such a planet Earth's overall atmosphere may be similarly weird. Black holes are without question some of the strangest places in the universe. There are many mysteries and theories we are yet to find out about black hole. Black hole being very far from Earth right now, it is not yet clear what happens if we enter the black hole. But one thing is sure, by any chance, if our planet Earth fell into the black hole, there will be massive destruction all over the planet, and it may even completely destroy the planet Earth. Even if our Sun was replaced by a black hole with the same mass, the planets would stay in their orbits. But life on Earth would perish without the energy from the Sun.